So for this video, I will be showing you how to unfollow someone on Facebook. So now go ahead and launch your Facebook application. Now navigate to the profile of the person that you want to unfollow. You can do this by tapping on to the magnifying icon which is located on the upper right corner of your screen and search the name of that person. From their profile page, you can see these three icons: Friends, Message, and the three dots. Tap onto the Friends icon. By tapping, you will be provided with these options: Unfollow, Take a Break, Edit Friend List, Favorites, and Unfriend. Select Unfollow. By choosing to unfollow that person, you will still remain as friends, though you can no longer see the posts that your friend will share. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.